The brand new LG OLED B3 gives you an edge in your entertainment experience with self-lit OLED panel and 120Hz refresh rate display for stunning visuals. The TV wall design of LG OLED B3 with slimmer bezels perfectly complements your home decor. LG OLED is world's #1 OLED TV for 11 years. Powered by self-lit pixel technology, LG OLEDs illuminate each pixel independently, achieving perfect black and infinite contrast that will leave you mesmerized by the depth and richness of every scene. With LG self-lit OLEDs, no backlight is necessary. This enhances the picture quality so that you can see even the most minute of details. LG OLED's pixel dimming technology adjusts individual pixels to deliver the perfect contrast in the visuals. 100% color fidelity and color volume displays spectacular picture quality. LG OLED B3 is equipped with the Alpha 7 AI processor 4K 6th generation that harnesses the power of AI for lightning fast performance of the TV and optimizes color accuracy and sound quality for an immersive viewing experience. Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos ensure every moment is a cinematic masterpiece. Dolby Vision transforms the image with stunning HDR imaging, delivering vibrant colors and incredible detail. Dolby Atmos places you at the center of the action with sound flowing all around you, enveloping you in a richly detailed audio environment. AI Picture Pro intelligently analyzes content in real time, enhancing every frame for optimal clarity, color accuracy, and contrast. OLED motion technology ensures that fast-paced action scenes and dynamic content are rendered with exceptional clarity and precision. The Dynamic Tone Mapping Pro feature optimizes each block of screen for vibrant, high-definition visuals and vivid HDR picture quality. LG OLED B3 supports LG's new feature, the AI Picture Wizard. This feature analyzes 85 million cases from 27 categories to show different images with combinations of ideal sharpness, contrast, and chroma for your TV screen. And AI Picture Wizard asks you to pick your favorite images from the library to suit your personal preference for picture quality. WebOS 23 allows you to set up your preferred way to view the hub that is revolved around you. For the next 5 years, LG TV owners will receive yearly WebOS update to enhance the user experience of the TV. LG ThinQ AI, an interactive home dashboard with voice assistance, allows you to set up routines and operate your TV with ease. LG OLED TV is prominent in its segment with support for Apple AirPlay 2, HomeKit, Amazon Alexa built-in, and Hey Google. Now you can link all mobile devices directly with your TV. LG's new Magic Remote enables a complete control of the TV. The multi-view feature adds to the benefits of owning the LG OLED B3 with features like side-by-side, picture-in-picture, and dual monitor plus. Enjoy your favorite content with the biggest streaming platforms directly on LG OLED TV. You can play Netflix, Disney Plus Hotstar, Prime Video, Apple TV Plus, Sony Live, ZEE5, JioCinema, and many more channels for limitless on-demand content. LG OLED B3 is the ultimate TV for your gaming setup with self-lit OLED 4K 120Hz display panel, powered by Dolby Vision that renders every frame with precision. LG OLED is the only certified NVIDIA G-Sync compatible TV and supports AMD FreeSync Premium for advanced graphics processing, delivering ultra-responsive gameplay and unparalleled visual clarity. Enhance every moment of gameplay with variable refresh rate, less than 0.1 millisecond response time, auto low latency mode, and HGIG mode. LG OLED B3 is fitted with HDMI 2.1 ports that support EARC to provide gamers with flicker-free visuals and no tearing, bringing the game to life with stunning realism. Apply the ideal settings for your game genre and playing environment with Game Optimizer and simply access the menu for Game Dashboard. AI Sound Pro optimizes sound quality, upmixes 2-channel audio into a virtual 5.1.2 channel sound and adapts to the acoustics of the room that creates a theater-like experience. Clear Voice Pro feature improves the quality of voice sound for you to enjoy the engaging dialogues in your favorite movie. Available in 195, 164 and 139 cm screen size, LG OLED V3 is a dazzling 4K screen with TV wall design that adds charm to any space. This is the LG OLED V3.